AO fam, right here, AO Cleaning, guys. Today we're doing a duct job for a repeat client, doing the whole HVAC system cleaning and sanitation. We are, believe it or not, in Valmeyer, Illinois, and we're making it happen like a captain. So if you guys need a service, give us a call. We got you covered. You can find us right here. Gorgeous day. Happy Friday out there. So we already got our new technician, Bridget, already pre-vacuuming the vents, the supplies. We already got things set up so you guys can see. And yeah, guys, we got a total of 2,300 square feet. As you guys know, we charge by the whole house square footage. We're going to clean it and get everything up to par and clean and sanitized. And then it's going to be a win-win. So got the brush beast ready. Again, if you guys need the service, happy to accommodate. They just have some flooring put in, a little bit of remodeling done. So anytime you guys have remodeling, we do recommend getting your HVAC system cleaned. Also, if you have any kind of allergy symptoms, good idea to get it done, or have a baby, or if you just bought a home, or if it's been 7 years, it's a good time to get it done. So that's what we're doing, guys. We're gonna sanitize it with a UV fogger after we're done. Getting ready to get all the registers off as we speak. And yeah, guys, it's gonna be a good day. Stay tuned. Ayo, let's go. Ayo, let's go. Breathe better. Call 8 day. We got you covered. All right, guys, call AO today, 618-593-8102, or online at aoclean.com to get your HVAC system clean and sanitized. We got you covered, locally owned and operated, ready to serve you for a cleaner indoor environment. Breathe better, call AO. All right, guys, this is the main return trunk line. Stay tuned for some results. Get it clean. Call AO today. All right, we're in Valmeyer, Illinois today, getting ready to do HVAC cleaning on their main trunk lines. We already did upstairs and did their supplies and returns. So if you guys need a service, I do recommend at least every 7 years, or if you do any remodeling or have a baby or have allergy symptoms, this is a great service for that. Or if you had any kind of floor work done, like hardwood finishing like we do. Otherwise, give us a call. If you're a repeat client and do other services, we give you a little bit of a deal, 35 cents square foot, but as a one-off, it is 40 cents, and that includes the whole system, guys. We don't charge you per register, per return, things like that, like other companies do. We just do a all-inclusive, everything included for 40 cents a square foot, and that also includes sanitation. All right, guys, for more information, visit our website at aoclean.com or give us a call, 618-593-8102. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, nice and clean and pristine. They can breathe better air after the remodel and back to the original state. aoclean.com. Give us a call if you want this service. Thanks for watching. Oh, yo, breathe better. Beautiful. All right, guys, nice and clean ducts. You can see the stainless steel again. Good to go. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, just got finished up. As you guys can see, got the brush piece ready. And that's a wrap, guys. They can breathe better. They have better indoor air quality now. Their whole system got cleaned. Now we're getting ready to sanitize it. And that'll do it, guys. If you guys need the service, reach out. Got you covered. We do all your supplies, your returns, your wall cavities if you return, and your main trunk lines. Clean off all the cobwebs from your air handler, and then we sanitize it. So if you need the service, we got you covered. aoclean.com. All right, guys, another little tip. We're actually coming back next week, actually the first week of November, and we're going to clean our carpets. This is a repeat client, but they got their HVAC cleaned and sanitized because they just got these floors put in, and they wanted to get all the construction dust and drywall and stuff out of their system, which I do advise. But she just said, Ryan, you got any more of that spotter? She's running low, so this is what we sold her last time we took care of her tile and her carpet. This is good for pets. Urine, coffee, wine, tea, anything like that, anything organic. Then you just spray this up on here and it disappears. So she's like, we love that stuff. So I am going to give her another bottle of that. These run about $15. Usually $12 if I'm doing a service for you. But yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. She was just couldn't believe how good that stuff works. And then that's going to do it. So if you need anything on my end, whether it's floor care, maintenance, HVAC cleaning, or any kind of spotters, come check us out. Give us a call. aoclean.com or come by the shop.